Bharat Buildcon is such a huge exhibition of new products and new technologies. In Bharat Buildcon, it's an assurance in itself that it's a sure shot, it's a safe product or it's a safe technology, and they are giving you 100% authentic information. Hi, I'm Chitra S. Jain, architect planner, director at Samyak Properties and Infrastructure Private Limited, and president-elect at Naredco Mahi. Naredco Mahi is proud to be associated with Bharat Buildcon. 5 years ago, Naredco Mahi came into existence, and I have been associated with Naredco Mahi right from the very beginning. So for us, it is not only to give a platform just to bring the women together, but with a certain purpose. When I said skilling, it is not just skilling the unskilled, but also skilling ourselves, upskilling ourselves. So we have a very interesting program where we are skilling unskilled women labor who are working at sites, construction workers, and seeing how we can kind of bring them up to a more skilled level. Bharat Buildcon, I think, is a huge platform and a huge opportunity for professionals to know what's happening in the industry in terms of materials, in terms of technology, and also in partnering with, from a business to business perspective or from a consumer to business perspective. And so there are going to be new products and technologies that are going to be exhibited. You're going to have hundreds of new delegates who are coming from various countries who are going to be there. So it's a wonderful opportunity for not only architects, but anyone who is in the construction industry, be it hardcore construction people, be it project managers. So it is important to know what is happening with new materials and new technologies. It's a great opportunity for students as well to come and be part of this opportunity. So Bharat Buildcon, I think, creates this platform where interesting conversations happen, and then of course business to business opportunities do exist. And it's a great way to update your own information and create awareness. Naredco Mahi began with a purpose. And it was not only that we wanted to give an opportunity to, from a gender perspective, but it was also to create this great bring together the pool of talent that is there. People who are at top management, mid management, and maybe even at entry level. Women who are in the real estate sector. Who sometimes feel that we are like kind of marginalized and there are not enough women. But believe me, there are so many women who are in the industry. But it is just that their visibility has not been that great. So Naredco Mahi gives that visibility. Bharat Buildcon, as I said, is a huge platform. And how do you actually create an interest in somebody who is in any sector? I mean, when you give them an opportunity to know what is happening, something that is new, something that is very exciting, and you have got a conversation going. When you say you are coming into an exhibition, Bharat Buildcon is such a huge exhibition of new products and new technologies, and there are new technologies coming from different countries as well, and there are all these conversations that are happening all around. I think when you are there in an ecosystem like that, it's very energizing, and I think it's very encouraging for someone who is entering into the industry. For women entrepreneurs, it's of course, you're creating those dialogues there. There's a business to business contact is there, business to consumer is there, business to customer or designers are there. So you have got all these opportunities that are very important. And I think that is where, when you bring Naredco Mahi's event and we bring Bharat Buildcon exhibition together, it is a win-win situation for both. I think women have that innate skill, change the scale from something which is like at a micro level to a macro level. And that's probably in our genes, that's maybe to do with our DNA itself, that we can look at problems from one scale to another and then come back to a smaller scale with great ease, and are always looking at solutions, not sitting with problems. So that to me is one very big advantage when you say how women look at urban problems and urban infrastructure. I think that empathy, which is inborn and which is innate to women, I think that brings in that sensitivity to design. So whether it is you're designing a neighborhood, whether I'm designing, let's say, urban mobility, so I'm always conscious of the fact that, okay, I'm not just thinking about myself, but I'm also looking at, suppose I have a little child with me, I have my own children with me, how am I going to be walking on the footpath with them? So for us, panel discussions are, something which we are very excited to design And we build our panels, one based on which is the most current topic, let us say, or something which affects or impacts the not only the industry but the urban areas as well. However much I would like to say that there is, we face no issues. I think there are some sectors in some areas where people still probably believe that, men would be better suited, let us say. So my advice, and since I come from a strong academic, background, and I've been dealing with students and teaching for almost 25 years now, so I think the best way is to upskill and be sure of whatever information we have got. So no one can take away an argument when you are stating the right facts, you have the right data, and you have the right information and details. So nobody at that time, gender doesn't play any role at all. I think the best way to kind of handle a gender issue is equip yourself with enough knowledge and enough skill so that your gender never plays any role at that point. Going beyond what Bharat Buildcon already is doing, I think if there is a little more synergy between entry level professionals, I think they need to be also drawn into a platform like this in a broader fashion, and see how industry and academia can be brought together and strengthen that bond. So I think that gap is something which a platform like Bharat Buildcon definitely should take it up and address, and see how industry leaders and then maybe even materials and technology people should be really looking at this synergy and seeing how they can bring a better partnership. Platform like Bharat Buildcon, I think the name itself and the fact that it is not a flash in the pan kind of an episode, it's a repetitive, it's a year on year we have this event, and the very fact that it is supported by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, it is supported by NAREDCO is a partner in this whole setup. So that itself, I think, gives a stamp of assurance that anyone who's exhibited there has already been vetted, their credentials are vetted, their product is vetted. So it's an assurance that yes, if the product has been exhibited at Bharat Buildcon, it stands for a particular quality, it stands for, let's say, excellence. So I think that is the kind of branding that, if you are part of Bharat Buildcon, that's the assurance I think it gives. Why should it be only women? I think it should be for anybody for that matter, that if you are coming and looking at a product that's been, displayed in Bharat Buildcon, it's an assurance in itself that it's a sure shot, it's a safe product or it's a safe technology, and they are giving you 100% authentic information. Please don't miss this opportunity. This is a great platform where you're going to be coming across hundreds of products, technologies, new and old, and something that they are coming out with which is useful for anyone who's in the industry, students, people who are in the construction sector, architects, builders, developers. I think for everybody it's a great opportunity not to be missed. So please be there. Bharat Buildcon's One Nation, One Expo